Thank you. Got a nice Union Pacific manifest train on the BNSF main track number 2, right around milepost 62.2 in the Cajon subdivision, Southern California. Bunch of covered hoppers here. Has some tank cars. Nice power up front. Looked like an SD70ACe or AC little e, but I'll double check that on point. We have another train coming northbound on the Palmdale cutoff up there. We're actually going to go under the Mormon Rocks and catch that right after this. Hopefully we'll get them both. We were on our way to get that one and we saw this one. FSRR, Farrell, sir. Big gondolas, little gondolas, medium gondolas, coil cars. This train probably came from Mexico. Old Missouri Pacifics there. Yeah, we're going to get on the Interstate 15 here, go about another couple miles up and catch this other train, hopefully. There's some more old Missouri Pacific gondolas. It says feed on those hoppers. Got a freezer boxcar there. Interesting. Flight cars here. Bunch of metal rods. Autoracks. Truly a mixed manifest train. Center beam lumber bulkheads. I don't see that other train coming yet. I got a real nice spot in mind. I haven't filmed exactly there. I'm going to try to catch it. This new spot up here. This is an awesome catch here. Wasn't expecting this. What a nice treat. Got a horn salute. Awesome old hoppers here. MCEX. These are cement cars here with the two openings on the bottom. There's an old C&W. And old Northwestern logo there. Just trying to worry that other train is going to catch me now. It's all right. I think we'll get them both. This train's moving pretty good. Hope they got it under control. Alright, I got a bunch of sun that way, so I can't go. Hope you like what you see. If so, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like. Share with your friends, please. I need some more subscribers. Let's share the love. All right, you guys, we'll catch you on the next one. I think we're in good shape to catch this Union Pacific. 2 in a row, manifest trains. Be right back. Take care.